I left him alone for 6 minutes total, according to the camera. And P-Ro has destroyed his breakfast plate. Gotta love poodles. Come on, let's go bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye, babies. It's a lot. It's a lot. To get in the car. And get situated. But it's worth it. It's a lot. Come on. Who wants to go next? Come on. Oh, Phoebe. Come on. Oh, God. I don't have to wait for Daddy to help me this time? I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Got everybody?
I got it, but I can't believe it. We are stopped at the gas station. So they're not buckled in right now, so they can look around and bark at people. Zar, you want to bark at people? Luna, I know you do, honey. I know you do. And Femi, I know you do. Yeah. You love to bark at people. Femi, you got something in your hair, baby. You got a tangle. Oh, yeah. Let's get that out of there. We are here at the Dollar Tree to try and find that picture frame for Femi's birthday. Like I said, guys, bear with me because I'm new to this. Oh, it's cold. All right, so where would it be? Candles, frames. While I'm here, I need to try to find a little gift bag, too, for her present. Do y'all see them? Yeah, is this it? Nope, that's not it. I don't see them. Oh, no. I'm either going to go to another one. Oh, well. Let's go check the gift bag section. Amy looks good in purple to me and her daddy. We think her color is purple. So we're going to try to... These bags are looking rough. They look all beat up. So it's not too bad. Oh, they are all stuffed up. I wonder if they got any more over there. Okay. Let's go look. Oh, look how cute. Oh, that's for balloons. That's cute. These little bags are cute. I don't see purple. This one's got purple in it. Which one do y'all think? I'm gonna get these. I like the little... I'm gonna get these right here. They got a weenie dog. That's for congratulations. Let's see. Any birthdays? Used to, you could find a poodle for everything. You can't find a poodle on everything anymore. That one might work. All right, we're going with this one. No picture frames in that one. All right, on to the next one. Okay, we got the next one. Wind is blowing. Cold out here. We found one this time. Thank you. Let's see. Frames. In a different store, it's going to look completely different. I don't see it, but I think I might get this one. Oh, wait. I do see it too. There it is. That's what I was looking for. I'm going to get this one. Have acquired the picture frame. My daughter told me to keep my eye open for some of these for her. She likes these. So I guess I'll get her a couple since she does so much for me. That's the only scent I see. This is what it looks like when they're all hooked in. They all got their seatbelt on. The actual seatbelt goes through there. Except for Pipsqueak over here. He's tethered to the seat with a chain. Luna, be nice. I'll take him back here then. How's that? Is that better? We made it to pick up the cake. Yeah, look. It's so cute. Look how cute.